Hello beautiful people. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make cornrows. I'm going to try to show you how to make cornrows on pre-stretched hair. As you can see, our hair is in its natural state without any cream, without any oils, without I think she has just a little water on her hair, which makes it more easier to manage. Then I'm just going to part it from the front because we are doing cornrows all to the back. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to start your parting from the front and make sure you are extra gentle because there are lots of tangles in this hair. Make sure you are extra careful. When you part with the comb, don't just yank it off. Slowly use your hand to separate the coils. Use your hand to slowly detangle it and separate them. Then go over them again because this hair is very painful, especially when you are trying to force it apart with your comb. So you're just going to go over it again just to make sure you get a clear part for the hair that you're going to make, and then you slowly brush it off just like that. Making cornrows on this type of hair, especially in its natural state, most people find it very difficult because of the tangles and the difficulty seeing the hair so full like that and just trying to think of how you're going to do it. But it's easily done. It can be done as easily as anything. You just need to know how to manage the hair. So you don't always need to think that I need to stretch the hair or I need to relax it just to get a very clean cornrow. No, you just need to know how to manage the hair, how to get what you want from your hair. So for this video I'm going to be showing you two ways of making the cornrows. One is a mistake that a lot of persons make when making cornrows, especially at the beginning for beginners, and they wonder why it is not good, why it is not fine, why it is the way it is. That is the very wrong part. So I'm just going to part the hair and then I'm going to show you the wrong way of making it first, and then I'm going to show you the right way. So I'm using this rubber band to secure the hair because the hair is in its natural state and can easily distract me, so I just separate them and comb them out gently as I go. Most times I don't try to comb too much from this part because I know it can easily stretch off when I'm making the hair, so I just try to detangle those knotted parts especially, and then comb out the edges and those little undergrowths at the front, at the sides, and at the back. So we are done with the pattern, and then I'm going to go straight and show you the wrong way of making the cornrows. So most persons, they begin by just gathering it at the front and then dividing it into two sections. Their hands are going to be parallel to each other, and then they start their braiding, taking the braids big and bigger, just everything, especially at the beginning. They just start with carrying big parts of the hair and cornrowing them together. This way, let me just readjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So alright, so this view is better. So cornrowing them this way is going to make the braids uneven and the front of the hair is going to look rough. So that is very wrong. The right way of making these cornrows, not for it to look nice, even when you are doing it on your natural hair or you are adding extensions to it, you come out the front like I did just now, and then you try to make your hands. You see the way the position my hands are, one in front of the other. So you take it little by little chunks, and make sure your hands are stable to maintain the position it is. Let me go over it again. Little chunks, especially at the beginning, one in front of the other. Take it back, bring the one to the front to the back, just like that. You just need to know how to do this in a slow pace at first. Then when you are used to it, you can begin braiding it fast, just little by little. You don't need to calculate the chunks you are collecting. Just make sure you are going at a steady pace and you are starting little by little. This way your braids are tight, your cornrows are tightly held together and to the scalp. This way, when you are using extension attached to it, you're going to see that this little hair at the sides is going to cover up. This is because it's our natural hair and this is how it is. So you take it little by little and make sure your hands are stable as it goes. Take it slowly because of those tangles, and then you are going to know that this cornrow is specifically designed to hold your hair together. So when you are doing it and it's feeling too loose, it's feeling tattered and you're already seeing frizz at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of the hair, you just know there's something wrong with that braid. It's not going to look nice. So you see the way this one is straight, because of the way I held my hand at the beginning, it was straight off. So for this video, I'm just going to show you that the cornrows can be done in this way. This is the right way to do the cornrows. And then you slowly take it down. Make sure your hands are steady. We don't want to have a disorganized cornrow, especially at the beginning. So this hair is almost done. When you get to the end of the hair, you just attach it and you can do your normal braiding to finish it off. And then if you are like me that don't like to braid the ends because it's becoming too tiny, I just twist it off or I let it go like that, depending on the nature of the hair. If it is healthy enough, I let it go. If it is not, I twist off the edges. I twist off the ends. So here it is. So as you can see, from the beginning to the ends, the cornrows are tightly held and held to the scalp. They are not loose or finding freezes here and there, and the very front of the hair is secured even in its natural state. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it is tight, especially at the front. It has this pointed beginning. So here you have it, cornrows for beginners on 4C hair. If you find this video helpful or informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It motivates me a lot, guys. Please, I really need your support. So thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.